Once again, good evening. Beginning tonight in Bakersfield, where in the past couple of weeks we have noticed a surge in the number of missing people, mainly involving kids and teens. Now, by definition, a missing person in California is someone whose whereabouts are unknown by those reporting it. 23 ABC's Vanya Patino joined us live now from the Live Center. She spoke with the Kern County Sheriff's Office and Bakersfield Police Department today about those recent cases and how a local organization is now stepping in to help find these kids. Vanya.
Yes, Keely, we have seen flyer after flyer of law officials asking the public for help in finding these missing juveniles, as most of them are teenagers. We broke down the cases we have seen since we started noticing the surge right here in this graphic right behind me. Jaheim Reese and Sage Vest are both last seen on October 30th, and then we have Layla Romo, who went missing on November 8th. We have Aberlyn Amador and Melanie Marshall on November 15th, sorry. Ania Lee, last seen both on November 9th. And then most recently, November 17th, we have Rashad Alas, who was last seen again November 17th. But BPD says that despite this number, officials say missing kids and teens are far from uncommon in our area.
On average, we deal with approximately 70 missing or runaway juveniles a week.
Missing and runaways are different. Missing meaning the child is there 1 second and gone the next. Sergeant Robert Pear with BPD notes most cases here are runaways, but that should not diminish the gravity of the situation.
Even if they're voluntarily gone, that places them at a higher risk for people taking advantage of them and bad things happening to them.
He adds they get runaway reports on a daily basis, but believes social media has made people more aware of the issue. January Bottoms is a Kern County resident who uses social media to spread awareness to help find missing kids. Through her Facebook page, Missing Smiles of Kern County, she tries to get in contact with the family, and as you can see here, puts together a search of volunteers to knock on doors and drive down streets, all while live on Facebook.
Hazel Eyes, 5'5", 120 pounds, last seen wearing blue and blue.
2 weeks ago, we had a missing 12-year-old boy. He was found during the live. Over the weekend, Veterans Day, we had the missing young girl found over the live, you know what I mean? And those are because we heard it on the scanner. So it's just about coming together.
She adds since they began in July of last year, they have helped reunite about 30 kids with their family in Kern County.
So there's so many ways to help, and I really hope we just get an abundance of help because we could do so much more in this community. We really can.
Sergeant Robert Pear with BPD says the numbers of reported missing or runaway juveniles they have seen this year are consistent with previous years. Meanwhile, the Kern County Sheriff's Office has noticed a small surge.
Right now, we are seeing a slight increase this year as compared to last year, but obviously also we're seeing kids go back to school. We're seeing an increase in the population. So we're not really seeing as big of an increase as it might be portrayed on social media.
Bottom says she is also in constant communication with the Bakersfield Police Department, but understands sometimes there are not enough resources.
We have a good community online, but we need some solid foots on the ground. So when the call comes, hey, let's go. Let's get in the car. Let's go.
Well, this is not a unique issue here to Kern County. This is a report from the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. And as you can see, nationally, those who are affected the most or go missing the most are those ages 12 through 17. And that is consistent with what we are seeing here in Kern County. At 6, we talk about the misconception of the time frame for reporting these types of cases and the dangers of runaways ending up trafficked or abused. At the Live Center, Vanya Patino, 23 ABC News, connecting you.